Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Juicy Lucy's. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I have a pan with some parchment paper. I'm going to put one of these burgers together so you can see how they're made. You take a nice piece of burger. That's a little too much. And you flatten it down. And guys, I've never made or had these before. This here is a Northwestern type of burger. You want to make a patty like that. And I'm just going to press it out. Do it on my cookie sheet here. Press it out flat. You want to take a piece of cheese. And what a Juicy Lucy is, it's pretty much just a cheeseburger with the cheese stuffed inside of the burger. And take a piece of cheese and fold it into fours. Stick it in the middle of the burger. And I'm going to take some more hamburger. Not quite as much as we use for the bottom. And these are going to be some big burgers, guys. You want to flatten this one out. I'm just going to do it here on my cookie sheet. And you want to take this one and lay it on top of that burger. And then bring your sides up and just smush it together. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of my burgers and set them aside for right now. And we're just going to flatten this out. The way I'm going to make the burgers, Holly got me this for Christmas. It's the Chop 21 electric griddle. The way this works is there's a griddle top that comes off. And these are 2 electric burners, which are hot. They're not induction, but they're electric. And then you put this grill plate on top. And then there's a grease collection pan that goes in the back. Right now this is starting to warm up. I'm going to put a little olive oil on it. Now it's not completely hot yet, guys. And I have some onions I sliced up. I'm going to get them on there. And we're going to get them sauteing. I'll probably move them over a little bit towards the middle of the grill. And this gives you a nice big grilling area. And those electric burners underneath, you could sit them on the counter and use them for extra burners for like the holidays if you're cooking extra stuff and your stove is full. So I'm going to go ahead and get these onions sauteed and get them softened up. Alright, now that my onions are starting to soften up, and I probably made more onions than I need, but who doesn't love fried onions? I season them with a little salt and pepper. And I wound up turning the griddle down on medium because this baby gets hot. And the way this works is where the burner is here, that's a hot zone. This is a hot zone. This is a medium zone. And then you can push stuff to the back, a keep warm zone. Or you can turn burners up or down for each side. Like these onions, when I get them, I can turn them down or lower, even turn that burner off if I want to keep them from frying anymore. I'm going to get my burger patties on. And these are some big guys. So I'm going to fry these probably for about 8 to 10 minutes per side. If I can get them off the parchment paper. To make sure they're cooked through. And I'm going to season them with some salt and pepper as they fry. Alright, now that my burgers are done, I turn this side down on low. This side's still up on high. See, I move my onions to the back to the keep warm zone. I'm going to toast my buns. I don't get any funny ideas, Carol. Carol's a dear friend of mine. I'm going to toast my buns on here because we're going all out, guys. Alright, my burgers are done. My buns are all toasted, just ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a burger and see what we got. Alright, now that I have my burger on the bun, let's go ahead and deck this out with the goodies. I'm going to start by putting some ketchup on mine. And you can put any kind of toppings on your burgers you like. Lettuce and tomato would be delicious too if I had some. Some ketchup. Some mayonnaise. And I'm just adding some of my favorite condiments to this. Some sliced dill pickle. And of course some of those fried onions that we fried up. Nice heaping helping of those on there. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. And I have a napkin on hand because this is going to be juicy. Pick that up. Burger's cooked through. It's juicy. The cheese is oozing out. Guys, that's really delicious and a really interesting way to make a burger. Juicy Lucy, thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.